Well, hello there, my lovelies. Welcome back to your girl, Brittanee, and welcome to some new reveals for the month. So, this one is a card kit swap that I hosted over on my Facebook page, BB's Crafty Peeps. Link will be down below in the description box. And we have three fun ladies who we are going to show off today. We have Becky, we have Leslie, and we have Shawanna. All right, so I'll go into details of what they're supposed to do. This is a card kit, fan favorite, and they were to utilize the tutorial that I gave them, and I'll put a link down below of the tutorial. Thank you, Dimples, for it as well. For this A2 card size holder for the cards, and then they were supposed to create a kit, so they needed one completed card which showed what the card was supposed to look like, and then have all the elements in the little pack to make 4 of the cards, and then also include a fun pen or pencil. And I'm trying to think, is that it? May have been, I don't know, we'll dig through and we'll double check, but otherwise hold on tight and we're gonna go through all of them. All right. Alright, so this first one is from Becky, and you can find her at B Baker Craft Maker. I just love saying that. But anyway, so this is what her swap entailed. Look at her cute pen. Oh, this is so adorable. You guys know me and my pink. I love it. And so we had a fun little heart in the center there. So freaking pretty. And then she's also included a coin purse. Ooh, look at me breaking stuff already. Oh, fun goodies. So we have some chapstick, because you know it is that time of year, your lips get a little crusty. And then we have a sequin mix, very, very pretty mix. Love all the various shades, and it goes really, really well with the collection. So if you want to make your card into a shaker, she already gave you some fun little tidbits there. And then she's also included some cute little stickers. Hello Spring. Everything will be okay, don't worry, and all limitations are self-imposed. Yes. And I love this cute little coin purse, and she added a tassel towards it. Look at this really pretty beaded tassel here. And then she also has some charms and beads dangling. Really pretty butterfly. I'm loving this burgundy. It is so cute. Oh, I love these colors. And look at this really soft purple. That is so pretty. Oh, love it. Absolutely love it. And then we have this cute little bookmark. Oh, isn't she precious? She also had a seam binding at the top there. Really cute. And then here is the little A2 card book, little purse, I want to say. It's a little purse. And like I said, I'll include it's not my tutorial. It is a tutorial for someone else. But Dimples introduced me to it because she had used this, in a swap that I had hosted way back, and I just thought it was so stinking adorable. She tied it here with some seam binding, and let me see if I can just slip her off. All right, so here is, I want to say that's the fun tidbits. So we'll go to the card in a second here. So we have all of her envelopes. We have all of her, she even did the distressing that you would need here. She's included the enamel dots. She even included her foam. And she, like I said, she went ahead and did all of that on the edges there. So really nice, and on the envelopes as well. And then she also has like her little card bases. So very nice. So that is what you'd include. So, and then this is how this opens up. So really pretty paper collection that you use, I want to say. I'm not sure if I said that, but you can fold these flat so you can have it for easy storage. So then when you're ready to use, boop, boop, boop. Easy as pie. Love it. So here are, this is, oh yeah, they were to do some fun facts about themselves. That's what the other thing was. I knew there was something else. So she created this cute little envelope here. I love this. This is just so shabby, vintagey. Like, look at you. Okay, okay. I love this applique in the background here. Really pretty flower cluster. She did the bottle cap in the center. Also did the distressing around the edge here. So pretty. And then we had a little slip, and it has all of her information. So, they had to do some fun facts. So they had to do their name, they had to do like their birthday, and then 2 fun facts about themselves. So again, she is Becky Baker. You find her at B Baker Craft Maker. I do it every time, so I'm sorry. And then next we have her birthday is August 8th. I love this little cute little tag thing. Every time she blinks, her nose twitches. Oh my goodness. Oh, who is that? Is that Bewitched? She's the one who did the nose twitching, right? So are you bewitched by any chance? And then her last fun fact is she is terrified of birds. You know what? They are pretty creepy. I don't know how folks have them as pets. I don't get it. And I don't want to get it, to each their own. But baby, I don't but the whole the the whole nose twitching thing, that gets me. All right, so now we are going to take a look at her super pretty card. So she has she cut out all the pieces from the collection. She went ahead and added it to the background. She did some embossing. She distressed all the way around. Her sentiment says, "Thanks for being my friend." And then that's where the enamel dots come into play. So cute. And then she also distressed the envelope, added a piece to the closing flap there. And then here's her inside, distress the inside, and in the corner here, everything is better with a friend. That is so, so cute. I love it, and it goes so well together. Everything is absolutely stunning. Great job. Glad to see you still out there. She's been doing like craft fair type stuff lately, so she hasn't really been swapping so as much, but so glad to see that you're still in the game. So thank you so much for participating, Becky. Again, guys, go ahead and check her out at B Baker Craft Maker. Next up, we have Leslie, and you can find her at Mermaid Cove Studio. And this is how her swap comes. Really pretty pen. I love this color. That is super pretty. I like that. And then I'm not really sure what collection this is. I'm not even really sure what Becky used either. But this is really cute. Love your little oval here. Pretty flower in the center. And again, she is Mermaid Cove Studio here on YouTube. So this is, oh, it has a snap. I don't want to mess it up. Ah, oh no, it's a magnet. Just kidding. So, let's take that. So I like how she separated it, all of the ones together. So all you had to do is just grab one card. You don't have to go ahead and fuss through anything. Just grab the one card and go ahead and put all your pieces together. So I really, really like that. Very, very pretty colors. And then her fun facts. Look at this cute card here with the little mermaid. Super cute. So again, she is Leslie, or you can find her on Instagram at Lily6. And then again, Mermaid Cove Studio here on the tube. Her 2 fun facts: she is a beader by trade, but rarely used beads in her projects. Ha! Isn't that crazy? Isn't that crazy? Like, you know, one of our greatest niches we don't even really use in our crafting. So before I got into doing like DIYs or even paper crafting, I crocheted, and I crochet very little when it comes, like, I'll do like fun, like cute little projects or things as gifts or whatever, but I don't do it as often as I would, like, you know, to implement it into my crafting. So that is great. And then her another one is, I seriously have enough beads to open a store. Golly. I bet they're all like, so do you have like super fun beads, like things that you wouldn't like normally find like in a Michael's or Hobby Lobby? Or are they just like beads like this? Or like, I need some more info on that one. I need some info. So that is nice. And then we'll go ahead and show you her finished card. So this is what relatively what you should get when you put together your cards here. So she has a really pretty scallop oval in the background. She does a hello, the shadow word. She has it backed up. I want to say it's about copper, and it says have a great day here in embossed letters. So super, super cute. Goes really well with the pen too. So really, really pretty. So guys, again, make sure you check out Leslie at Mermaid Cove Studio. Last but certainly not least, we have Shawanna, and you can find her at My Reality Crafts here on YouTube and also over on the gram. Really pretty. Y'all know me and my plaid. And then look at her super cute pen. Oh, I love these beads. I think they're so cute. And then she has this really pretty flower at the top. Love this cracked one here. That is so pretty. Love it. And then she has Thinking of You at the top here. She has the pretty little flower stickers. She used Velcro as her closure. And then we are going to take this part out. So she has separated all of her elements. So you have your bases, you have your matting pieces, and you have all your decorative pieces separately. And she even has a little thread in here. Love it. I can't wait to see what you did for your card. All right, so again, look at her cute little card here. So it's Life is Beautiful, really pretty here. I love the little gems on the side there. Very, very pretty. So again, she is Shawanna. You can find her at My Reality Crafts. Her birthday is actually coming up in July. And then her fun fact, she was born with and still has 12 toes. Okay. You know, it's funny because I was born with 12 fingers. I got mine chopped off as a baby. So one there. And so that's what that little nubby is. I was born with extra fingers. My daughter was born with, I think did she have 2 extra fingers or just 1? 1 for sure. I can't remember if she had 2, but my son did not get them. So, and all through growing up, people have always asked, what is that? What happened to you? I'm like, I'm just born with an extra finger, that's all. And you know, I've gone through my life so long that I don't even really notice it anymore. Like, and as I've gotten older, no one has asked me, so I don't think they've noticed it or paid attention to it. So it was a lot more in my younger years where everyone's like, what's that, you know? But so that's cool. Okay. And then she has never watched a Marvel movie and probably won't. Oh, my heart. Oh, my heart. Oh my gosh, that hurts so much. OMG. Now, have I watched every single Marvel movie? No. But I do have my favorites where I can literally binge all day watching, and I know practically word for word. So, Shawanna, that kind of hurts. I'm not gonna lie, it does a little bit. That's okay. That's okay. All right, and then her super cute card. All right, so we're going to take a closer look here. So pretty. So I think she did something like a one-sheet wonder. That's kind of what it's giving me. Very, very, I can't even think of words. Very good idea, especially when it comes to making a card kit. So I applaud you for that. You chose really pretty paper. It says Thinking of You. Then you have all your little flat back gems. She has a thread going behind the paper. Super, super cute. And then this one flips vertically, and then she added a piece of the collection at the bottom, because you guys know how I don't like a naked inside card. And then we have the envelope. So very pretty. Thank you so much for participating. Fabulous job. Again, check out Shawanna at My Reality Crafts, and then while you're at it, go say what's up to Leslie at Mermaid Cove Studio, and don't forget about B Baker Craft Maker Becky. So thanks so much. I will have more reveals coming for you soon, so make sure you subscribe to your girl so you don't miss out on those future uploads. And until next time, bye.